Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to share with you the top 5 most awesome raptors, aka birds of prey. I know which one is my favorite, so I'm going to hold it for last. And look, these are birds of prey, which means that they eat meat, and hunting is one of the coolest things about them. So there are going to be a couple of clips here and there of, birds eating, like this one, maybe this one and this one. But nothing super gross. But it is nature. So let's dive right in. Alright, so number 5 are eagles, the apex predators. Bird's eye view. Size and power. Eagles are the largest raptors. With their powerful beaks and talons, they are capable of taking down prey as large as small deer. Hunting tactics, high altitude scanning, precision dives, and crushing grip strength. A golden eagle can exert 400 pounds per square inch of force. Cool fact, harpy eagles have talons bigger than some bear's claws. The American bald eagle is the national bird of the United States and has been since 1782, and it appears on the Great Seal, and many government institutions use the symbol. And there are at least 20 towns called Eagle throughout the United States, like Eagle, Colorado, Eagle, Nebraska, and Eagle, Alaska. Number 4. Kestrels, the hovering snipers. The American kestrel is the smallest raptor, weighing in at just 3 to 6 ounces, which is the equivalent of about 50 US pennies. More or less, depending on what you feed your bird, I guess. Unique skills. The kestrel is the only raptor that can hover in place while scanning for prey. Hunting style. The kestrels use ultra-sharp vision to spot tiny rodents or insects from extreme distances. Kestrels can see UV light, which helps them track urine trails left by mice. Yeah, I said urine trails. Next up, owls. The silent killers. Stealth mode. Specialized feathers make their flight completely silent. 360 vision. The owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees to scan for prey without moving their bodies. Brutal efficiency. Some species can actually hear a mouse underneath the snow. The shape of their face collects sound and light. Cool fact, the Eurasian eagle owl has a wingspan of over 6 feet. That's about 2 meters. Number 2, falcons, the supersonic missiles. The falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. The peregrine falcon can reach speeds of up to 242 miles an hour. Aerial combat. Some falcons literally punch prey mid-air to knock them out. Cool fact, falcons have a special membrane over their eyes to prevent wind damage at high speeds. Falconry is an ancient hunting practice using a trained bird of prey. The falconer uses the bird to hunt small game like rabbits and squirrels, and it's still an active sport today. And number 1, my absolute favorite, the hawk. But before we get into that, If you like the video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a like. That helps us out a lot. It gets our video in front of other animal enthusiasts just like you. Thanks so much, I really appreciate that. So, let's dive right in. And here we go. Number 1, the hawk, the tactical assassins. The hawk's speed and agility make them the master of the precision strike. Some hawk species, like the Harris hawks, actually hunt in packs, a rare trait among birds of prey. Cool fact, red-tailed hawks have been clocked at speeds of over 120 miles an hour in dives. From the silent stalkers of the night to the supersonic day hunters of the sky, raptors dominate the skies like no other. Which raptor do you think is the deadliest? Drop your pick in the comments below. Subscribe for more epic wildlife content. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm John. Until next time, bye-bye.